Hi everyone, my name is Namdar, an architect, and welcome to my channel. I decided to model this fireplace in Revit. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. More tips coming soon. Okay, for this living room area, I want to add a fireplace. Go to floor 1. This is my plan. I want to add my fireplace here. I need section here and go to architecture. I use ref plane. I use generic model for it and I want to call it modern fireplace. I set my plane on section 5 and to create this kind of form we need to use a revolve. First of all, I create my axis line and then boundary line. This is a section of fireplace actually. 5 cm is enough. Want to use a split here and then trim these lines. Yeah, everything looks good. For the thickness of fireplace, 1 cm is enough because, I think this material is something like metal or steel. I trim these lines. And then okay. This is my overall form. And I just need to create void here. Yeah, this is my void. I just fix the distance and placement here. And I cut my void. Modify my distance. I think 20 meters is enough. Yeah. Press PT on your keyboard. This is my last part of fireplace. Yep, there we have it. This is my modern fireplace. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. More tips coming soon.